This video will show you how to create a shape map in Microsoft Power BI. Before you start, you have to toggle on the shape map function. Go to File, Options, Preview Features. You will find the shape map option at the top. The data model in this file contains one table, which is called Sales versus States. Both of the fields in the Sales versus States tables are in the wrong format. Change the category of the state field to state or province. Change the sales category to currency. Select the shape map visual in the visualization pane to add it to the canvas. Resize the map visual to fill the report canvas by dragging any side of the image. Drag the state field to the location well of the shape map visual. Add the sales field to the color saturation well of the shape map visual. You can customize the colors used in the visualization. You can use any of the 3 theme colors. You can also apply borders to create greater separation of the states. You can also customize the colors used in the visualization by going to the Fill Colors option in the Format Visual pane. There are currently 2 choices of coloring for a shape map visual. The first applies 2 colors for maximum and minimum values. The second option allows you to define a color for a center point and then provides gradient colors for the other values. One of the benefits of the map is that users can manually select a specific region to view data relating to it. To configure this option, you need to set the zoom control on the map. Select Map Settings and then expand the zoom option. 3 choices are available: Auto Zoom, Zoom on Selection, and Manual Zoom. To correctly set the zoom for this map visual, move the toggle button for Zoom on Selection and Manual Zoom to the on position. You can confirm that the zoom feature is functioning correctly by selecting any state. This will make the visual zoom in on that area.